this video, you will learn how to control data usage in Windows 11. First, open the Settings app. You can quickly do this by pressing the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Once Settings opens, click Network and Internet from the left side. Now scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Under the More Settings section, click Data Usage. Here you can see how much internet data your PC has used. If you have multiple internet connections, use the drop-down menu in the top right corner to select the Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection where you want to set the data limit. After selecting the correct connection, click Enter Limit. A new window will appear where you can choose the type of data limit. You can select monthly if your internet plan resets every month. With this option, choose the monthly reset date, enter the amount of data you want to allow, and then select the unit, such as MB or GB. You can also choose one time if you only want to set a limit for a specific number of days. Select how many days the limit should last, enter the amount of data, choose MB or GB, and then click Save. The third option is Unlimited. This does not place a restriction on your internet usage, but it allows Windows to reset and track your data usage on a specific date each month. This can be useful if you simply want to monitor how much internet data your PC uses. After setting your limit, Windows 11 will track your data usage and notify you when you are getting close to the limit. This makes it easier to control your internet usage and avoid unexpectedly using too much data. Microsoft documents data usage settings as part of Windows Network Management. If you ever want to remove the data limit, go back to Settings, then Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, and Data Usage. Select the connection if needed, then click Remove Limit, and confirm by clicking Remove. You can also reset your data usage statistics. Simply scroll down to the bottom of the data usage page, find Reset Usage Stats, click Reset, and then confirm again. Windows will then start tracking your internet usage from zero. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe.